GrubHub Driver, how to apply for GrubHub Driver accounts. If you would like to apply for GrubHub Driver account, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is to go ahead and then actually you can download the GrubHub Driver app from your app store, or you can simply open your browser and go to driver.grubhub.com. I repeat, driver.grubhub.com. I'll make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. Now, once you're here, you can see the option on the top right hand side that says apply. So just click on the apply button from the top right hand side, and here you can see all the options that says apply to Drive. Now over here it says sign up and start earning. You simply have to first of all choose a state that you're from, and then also simply make sure to choose a city. Once you've done that, just click on the next option that you'll be able to enter. Then you have to enter your first name, your last name, your email address, as well as also your phone number. So go ahead and then make sure to go ahead and then basically enter your phone number as well. Agree to the terms and conditions and click on the next option. After you click the next option, on the next page it will ask you for a couple of other options as well. So you have to verify your email, verify your phone number, make sure that you have got a valid driver's license and that you comply with all the terms and conditions and services. And after you've done that, you'll be able to start earning and make money from GrubHub by using their Drive option. So this way you'll be able to apply for GrubHub Driver. I hope the video helps you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon as always in the next video.